What is the length of the red line? Let us solve it. Label D, G and H. Let angle B equals alpha and angle G equals beta. Consider triangle BDC. Let us find angle alpha. Since the sum of angles in a semicircle equals 90 degrees and triangle BDC is a right-angled triangle, DC divided by BC equals sine alpha equals 76 divided by 84. Thus, alpha equals sine inverse of 76 divided by 84, and this is equals to 64.79 degrees to 2 decimal places. Alpha equals to beta equals to 64.79 degree. The length DG can be found using Pythagoras theorem. BC square equals DB square plus DC square. It means 84 squares equals DB square plus 76 square. And rearranging and solving, we have that DB equals the square root of 1280. DG equals to the square root of 1280 minus 12. And from triangle DGH, 1280 minus 12 all divided by HG equals cosine 64.79 degrees. Cross multiply and solve for HG gives that HG approximately 55.8229 centimeters, which can be round off to 2 decimal places as 55.82 centimeters, which is the length of the red line.